Welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with a topic that is anxiety problems. What is anxiety problems? It is something, a fear that we feel for the future. It's a feeling of scariness from inside, that what tomorrow is going to happen, how we are going to deal tomorrow life, and how. So today everything is okay, but tomorrow what it's going to be and how we are going to deal with the insecurities, a kind of insecure feeling that generates within us, and thus it feels like everything is shattered that moment, and a darker life that we feel. So this kind of feelings often comes to my mind whenever I have nothing to do at all in life, because I don't keep myself free. I need to keep myself busy, because this kind of anxiety problems I deal with every day. Once if I work for 8 hours in a day, and when that 2 hours before sleep I feel very free, I try to make myself free and make myself feel relaxed. So at that time I started feeling kind of nothing is happening in my way, or something is going to happen bad, or whatever is going to happen in future. So this kind of feelings I get in within my mind. So of course I feel very much discouraged and scary and frightened that what's going to happen and how things I'm going to deal with, how I'm going to able to manage everything if tomorrow something happens. So this kind of feelings doesn't really this kind of feeling should not be given importance, because tomorrow what's going to happen is going to happen. Nothing is in our control. So today I will give you the guidance how I deal with my anxiety problems, and how I am working, and how I am able to overcome my anxiety problems. So this kind of anxiety problems come within me, and many a times I feel that what tomorrow is going to happen, or rather right now if I am sitting or if I am doing something, then and then I feel that if the world gets vanished, or if something happens, this kind of unrealistic thinkings come in my mind, and I feel very much scared about my past life, like whatever I have done wrong, or whatever something has happened wrong with my own hands. Maybe I was not able to change that kind of thing, or the situation made me to do that, situation demanded that kind of activities. Like if I am not able to help someone, or maybe someone has got some problem which I could not take out that person, so this kind of guilt feelings I always have, and anxiety comes that what tomorrow is going to happen, how I am going to be, and how much good result I am going to get about this. So this kind of feelings definitely come in mind, and a sort of a feeling of very scariness that what tomorrow is going to happen, what future is going to show us, what tomorrow where I will be or how I will be. So all these kind of feelings definitely come. It's very difficult to remove this kind of feelings. So never try to remove this kind of feelings, rather you try to feel that you are a good person, and you are confident within yourself, and whatever you did for your betterment or some other person's betterment. So to deal with this anxiety, what I personally follow is I try to remember some good moments which I had, because a mind is like a baby. The more you will let it cry, the more it will cry. The more you will if it's wanting something, if it's asking for something, so the more you will feed it, the more it will grow, the more it will want. So you have to shift your mind then and there, and think about some good memories, good stuffs that you have spent in life that have cherished you. So many a times it mostly happens we don't cherish our old good memories. So this is the time we should cherish our old good memories. So this is the best process that mind gets shifted, and that anxiety feelings start to diminish. It's not possible to remove totally from mind, so of course we have to try to diminish it, so that we don't feel a problem within the mind. And this mind once get very much very much disturbed with this kind of anxiety feeling, then it becomes a long process. It becomes something feeling that lasts very very long, and it becomes very difficult to go away. That kind of guilty feeling, that kind of guilt trips that we create in our mind unnecessarily, that we feel some sort of scariness, uncertainty that would happen tomorrow's future. This year I found many people, this COVID time, many people are very much scared about the society. So of course we should not be scared about the society, but it's two things we can do. One is live in the present time, live in the present. If you have something better to do, or you have lined up some steps to do, if possible try to do it now and enjoy your life. Secondly is try to enjoy your best moments that you have spent in your past life, or in the past times you have spent. Try to remember those memories, try to put pressure on your mind, and it will bring a very beautiful kind of environment, or beautiful kind of dreamy imagination within you, and of course your anxiety feeling will go and then and there. Well, it may take 2 or 3 minutes longer, but it will definitely work if you try it. So friends, I hope this was helpful to you guys, and we'll definitely come up with some new topic that will be helpful to you. And till then, try to watch my videos and try to understand the lessons which I am trying to give you, because this was the process how I make myself feel better when I get this anxiety problems. Thank you friends, bye bye, love you all.